Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I'm analyzing this stock Apollo Hospitals. If you will watch this stock carefully, you will find out that this stock was actually taking support of this trend line. Okay, and in 5 minute time frame, look at this stock carefully. One support, two support, three support, four support, and what the stock gave a breakdown. It again went back to retest the level. It retested but could not go above this level and it started to fall downwards. What can happen tomorrow? If the stock continues its downside journey and breaks this level of 2984, 2985, okay, see this level, okay, if the stock goes below this level, then the stock will turn bearish and it will fall for 2938.60 or 2956. So below 2983 you can go for a target of 2956 or 2938. Okay, and one more thing about this stock, see, if you will watch closely, you will find that this level will act as a strong resistance for this stock. If the stock tomorrow goes towards the upside and if it fails to break 3030 and starts to come towards the downside and breaks 3000 level, then also you can short this stock for 2938. And if the stock breaks 3030, then you can go for a target of 3069, 3063. Okay, so this is my analysis for Apollo Hospitals. If you want to trade Apollo Hospital, what you should look for, let's look for first 15-minute bearish candle for selling and first 15-minute bullish candle for buying. But remember, buy only above 3030 and sell only below 2984. Okay, so thank you for watching.